This video will take you through the process of installing your NewTechWood Ultra Shield stair tiles. These 100% eco-friendly capped composite deck tiles are comprised of natural wood grains and use an interlocking raised base for optimum drainage and quick and easy installation. Also, the tiles will not bend, warp, split, or crack. So not only are they easy to install, they're virtually maintenance-free. This system can incorporate trim pieces that are sold separately, and it's available in many different colors, as well as grass and slate. The stair tiles can be installed on wood, concrete, and metal surfaces. For stairs, it's recommended that you use our 1 foot by 1 foot tiles, along with our stair trim and our straight trim for the outside edges. Before you begin, you must prepare your stairs by making sure that they have a 90-degree angle and are solid on the rise as well as the run of the stair steps. Installation will begin with the stair trim, a corner piece that will be screwed into the rise and run. If you're using more than one section of stair trim, make sure that the gap between the trim pieces is the same as the gap between the deck tiles. This allows for a cohesive look and for expansion and contraction. If it does not fit exactly, it will need to be cut for size, ensuring that you remove any screws in the back that will be in the path of the blade. For wood stairs, make sure and use 1-inch No. 6 wood screws. For metal stairs, use 3/4-inch No. 6 drilling screws. For concrete stairs, use a concrete drill bit that's the same width as your plastic anchors to create a 1.5-inch deep hole, which will then house a plastic anchor and 1.5-inch No. 6 wood screws. Install the stair trim pieces on all of your stairs, placing a screw at every manufactured hole. Next, you're ready to install your tiles onto the stair treads, or horizontal part of the step. Simply snap into place. You may need to use a rubber mallet. If your tile needs to be cut to fit, make sure and remove any screws on the back that are in the path of the blade. Then, you're ready to install your risers, or the vertical part of the stairs. These may need to be cut to fit, and if so, you'll need to remove any screws on the back that may be in the path of the blade. Once cut to size, snap the risers into place. Finally, you'll install your trim pieces. You want the top, or horizontal trim piece, to match the length of your stair treads, and the vertical trim piece to match the length of your risers. Cut your trim pieces to the proper length, removing any screws that may be in the path of the blade. Then snap them into place. And that's it! More details and color options are available at NewTechWood.com. Thank you.